5 signs that he wants to end the relationship. If you think your lover is moving away, put the batteries on. When we start a relationship, everything is love and joy. We rarely see the defects of that person or ignore the comments of third parties, but after a while, all show their true selves and you discover that not everything is rosy. This feeling is experienced by men and women, but in some occasions, we try to endure or improve some aspects, something that men rarely do, and as soon as they discover that it is not what they are looking for, they start to move away. Some take the pan by the handle and break up with you, others prefer to disappear little by little so that you step out by yourself. If he chooses the second option, you will be shown signs that he no longer wants to continue in that relationship. 1. Continuous fights. We have to accept that sometimes we are very capricious and we want everything to be done as we want, but if in this case, it is he who makes from a simple comment a storm, maybe he's just looking for a pretext to finish. 2. You are no longer his priority. If suddenly you stopped being his priority and he no longer takes into account, he does not discuss his day-to-day with you, the calls or messages diminish. 3. Does not talk about the future together. Maybe in your relationship, there are no wedding plans and you have never talked about that, but you had planned a trip or a party and from one day to another he changes the plans or does not touch the subject, even if the date is near. 4. Does not have time. If he stops calling you for a couple of days, claiming he's very busy, but then you find out he's going out more with his friends than with you. 5. Little attention to your things. If he does not pay attention to what you say or no longer remembers things you have told him, or cancels at the mere hour. Take note and check if your lover has any of these characteristics. If so, it is best to talk to him to know if he is no longer comfortable or is only a misunderstanding, but remember that the worst thing we can do is to continue with someone who does not love us anymore. No matter how much it hurts, it's better to let it go. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.